Because in our community, most of them, they don't want to get monetized. They just want to support and join games and raffles. Ipin ko yung, ipin ko yung sayo sa Mark Ian. Saan naman? Mark Ian. Where are you? Not a lot of people on my live today, but anyways, just wanted to go live and update. Yes, they just want to join games and raffles, you know, for extra earnings. Most of them are housewives. Twenty CH, Megalab shout out. Kambanwa, 20 CH. Thank you so much, Sir Tabora, for staying and for conversing with me. I have 20 minutes left. Thank you so much. Twenty CH, you can drop your link. Oh, why? What? Where is her grandparents? They don't live together? It's hard, even if you're monetized and your channel doesn't do well, you don't get you don't get paid monthly. I don't get paid monthly. It's like Used to be twice a year I get paid by YouTube. It takes me 6 months to earn that $100. It's hard. Some of my friends that are monetized, they gave up. Some of them just focused on their jobs, or they switched to Facebook or TikTok or whatever. Ano kasi si Sans niya, araw daw na. Pwede ka naman mag-live eh, pag nasa bahay ka eh. Araw daw na ako lahat. Isang oras lang naman to. Okay, 20CH, I will pin your link. You should you should upload new content, new videos. Your videos very old. How many times have I watched this white and red shrimp? You should upload new ones. I'm watching 20CH. I have 14 more minutes left. Oh, how nice. How nice you meet the threshold in just 2 months. It takes me 6 months to meet that $100 threshold. And it's also nice that you use the money to buy t-shirts for your friends. That is so nice. The rates in the US is different from the rates here in the Philippines. That's why it's hard to meet the threshold if you're a YouTuber from the Philippines. Oh, that's nice. Even if I upload short videos every day, it's still not gonna make me meet the threshold in 2 months. I have a short video with 4,000 views and it's only 11 cents. It's not fair. The rates in the US and in another countries were very different. Sir Rene, mega-love shoutout Sir Rene. Update lang po Sir Rene kasi very down na ang aking analytics. Down, down, down.